guys, get ready with me with my makeup today. It's done. And you joke, I don't wear makeup because I'm 8 years old. If all the Americans or 8 years old they use makeup, I didn't use their skincare. I don't use them only once a day. I'm from Philippines and small kids and the longer time is when I go to school and I wear makeup for 10 days and now I don't wear now. Yeah, because I hate makeup, like my face is so like I don't like it and just a filter. It's cute filter I do, but that's okay. I will be a makeup or you're gonna be a makeup artist. Even the little girl that's 8 years old, so she tape here and do it like this. And she's funny when she's young because she lipstick all the time. And yeah, she's a YouTuber. I don't like him. Like this is the junk makeup, and I don't like junk makeup. I want to see my cartwheel. Wait a second, okay? Last you, you're gonna see my cartwheel. Let's walk in here. That is my cartwheel. I can't do jumps. But you cannot see it, but that's okay. So, I don't know. Like, I never wear makeup. Just wear this. Like, what the heck? I'm wearing this. Good. From Philippines, I speak Bisaya. I'm gonna give you 3. Hoy, ig-agura batik ka. Hoy, pamangkin, mga, kung ba ka na ako, mga classmate. Hoy. Hoy, ako ni, nakakablo ka. Unsa ko? That is 3 words in the Philippines.